Now we hop into the types of video. From all forms of content, video stands out as the most engaging and hands down the most versatile medium. But not all videos are created equally. Today we're exploring the different types of videos you can create, each with its own charm, strategy, and manner of captivating your audience. So let's dive in. First, we have talking and storytelling. This format is all about connection. Whether it's sharing your journey, teaching a concept, or telling a story, it's your authenticity that truly shines through. So making your audience feel like they're right there with you is important. So talking to a camera for me is what comes natural. That's why I'm making this course. Videos just like this are what I call talking head videos. They're as simple as holding your smartphone out in front of you and just hitting record. You can hold it this way, use a front camera, back camera. It's that simple. Talking head videos are incredibly effective because they connect and they feel raw and they feel authentic. If it's different for you, just keep listening. There's other methods of doing this. Then it's storytelling. Storytelling is similar, but it's a form of video where you're taking a viewer through a journey, through a story. It could be an unboxing video, a product video. It could be your journey of how you completed something, or a walkthrough of what you do day to day. He keeps things super simple and super quick, allowing the viewers to be part of the story, but also not get bored. Using video, voiceovers, and a planned story, you can crush storytelling just as well. Number 2 is product or service demonstrations. This is incredibly easy for anybody in the local service industry, plumbers, construction, masseuses, pretty much anything you do. You doing it and having it on video is a service demonstration. So seeing is believing. And what better way to showcase what you offer than by showing them in action? These videos are not only just inform, but also build trust and credibility by demonstrating value firsthand and doing what you preach, what you sell, and what you do for work, or business, or products, whatever. Around here, I'll show you a few different ways that you can show what you're doing to someone and what you offer. These are some of the best video types to do ads with because people like seeing how things are done and things that they can't do as well. And then boom, you have engagement. 3, before and after videos. Before and after videos offer a visual journey of transformation, and they're incredibly powerful in showcasing the impact of a product, impact of a service, or even a lifestyle change. This will provide a tangible proof of value that can inspire and motivate, have your audience take action. Simply, you showcase the before and the after in a clear and concise way. Do not overthink it. Your audience will connect to the journey and be hooked by curiosity, then fulfilled by the end result. Always a super strong content choice. Number 4, time-lapse videos. Time lapses compress time, offering a mesmerizing view of process or transformations that would otherwise take way too long to watch. They're perfect for showing the making of a product, the setup of an event, or the progress of a project. This type of video is super similar to some of those mentioned above, but the quick jerky motions immediately capture people's attentions, and your audience is instantly captured, and knowing there will be an outcome will make sure that they stick around to get that result at the end of the video. Number 5, user-generated content. Utilizing user-generated content, or UGC, adds a layer of authenticity and community to your brand. Sharing videos created by your users or customers not only showcases real-life applications of your offerings, but also builds a sense of trust and belonging among your audience. This can be done super easily by asking friends, family, or giving away products, or you can just skip ahead and hire some influencers. It's a terrific and authentic way to make content. And lastly, it's content repurposing, number 6. This is where you record, with permission of course, your online web calls or meetings, or a podcast, or any of the longer forms of content, then find a golden nugget within it and use that piece of video again. This is usually seen as long form to short form content editing, and it's an incredible way of utilizing what you already have already used, and getting more use out of it. You're hungry, right? That's why you're doing this? Well, start to scrape the plate and get all the food off of all those pieces of content that you've already made. By doing so, you can squeeze every bit of use and every bit of oomph that you can possibly get from your content. All right, each type of video serves a super unique purpose and offers different ways to engage with your audience. From storytelling to time-lapse, talking head to user-generated video, experiment with all of these formats and find out what works for you. Of course, there's other forms, but these are some of the 6 that I truly use day to day, and I tell and teach my clients to use as well. Forcing yourself to make content that you don't enjoy making is not the way to go. That's one of my favorite tips to tell people, is to actually do what makes sense to you first, then your audience, and then find the middle ground. All right, chat soon. We'll be talking about the basics of scripting next. It's gonna be super simple, but it's gonna make a lot of sense and be super effective. Chat soon.